Good morning, everybody. I am currently at Walgreens and we are ready to do some deals. I'm pretty excited to do some couponing. A lot of candy deals. Well, there is some candy deals if you guys want to do those. But we're gonna go inside, do some couponing. Funny thing, I was just at a grocery store picking up my coupons and this guy was there, and now he's at he's at Walgreens. Funny. Okay, but anyways, I'm going inside to do some deals. I'm gonna show you guys some deals, walk around the store, deals that I don't do also, and then I will come back, film it in the car, showing you guys what I got, any problems, questions, concerns, anything like that. Hopefully the prices ring up this time. Last week I had one item that didn't ring up on sale. So let's go shopping. The soft soap is $1.99 or $2.99. So they're buy one, get one 50% off, and then we have one 75% off digital coupon. So if you plan on doing the $1.99 soft soap, buy one, get one 50% off, use that 75% off digital coupon. You'll buy 4 of them, pay $5.22. But you do receive $4 cash rewards when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to be just $1.22 or 30 cents each. If you do the $2.99 one with that 75% off digital coupon, you'll pay $8.22. Again, receive that $4 cash rewards, making it $4.22 or $1.05 each. This is the better deal. Usually these deals we can get pretty cheap sometime in the future. So if you need this soap, get it now if you need it. Otherwise, wait till it's a better deal. Here we have the little baby bottle of Lubriderm for $3.99. There is a $2 off Walgreens coupon that you guys want to use, making it $1.99. But we also have a $2 off digital that you guys can use. So it comes out to be absolutely free. Here we have the Dove deodorant, 2 for $11. You guys will end up paying $11 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5 or limit of 3. So you want to buy 2 of them, you'll get $4 back with Ibotta. Then you will also get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them for Fetch Rewards, so you get $2 back. And then when you also buy 2 of them, you get a $4 cash rewards, making 2 of these just $1 or 50 cents each. Here we have a 4-pack of toothbrushes for $4.99. We also have this 2-pack for $4.99. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We have $2 off insert coupons from our P&G, and then we also have a $2 off digital coupon if you guys want to use that one. But you'll end up paying just $5.98. You do get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The Colgate Toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. My toothbrushes are not marked, either is my mouthwash, so I don't know if any of these qualify. But if you have this, you want to buy 2 of them, there is currently a $2 off 1 digital coupon that you want to use. The inserts we have is 2 off of 2, so either one. But you'll end up paying $5.98. You get a $4 cash rewards when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Not the greatest deal. If you guys need Purex, the Purex is currently 3 for $6 for the pods, for the liquid, and then also for the shakers if you need that. The Snuggle and the All is on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys want to use for anyone that you want. Ends up becoming just $1.99. So the candy of the week is $1.99 for the Butterfingers Baby Ruth's 100 Grab Crunch. So we also have a 2 off of 3 insert coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up paying just $3.97. That's $1.32 a bag if you want to stock up on that. Otherwise, we have the M&Ms on sale, the Skittles, I don't know where the Skittles, oh, maybe not, but the M&Ms are $2.49. We have a $2 off of 3 insert coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up just getting your total for $5.47 or $1.82 each. So the Mentos is 2 for $6. There's 3 different options that you guys can do. But with Swag Bucks, there's actually a deal where if you buy 1 of them, you get $1 back. If you buy 2 of them, you get $4 back. And if you buy 3 of them, you end up getting $7 back. So you could actually just buy 2 of these, pay $6, get $4 back. Comes out to be just $1 each. Or you could buy 6 of them, end up paying, end up paying $18, but then you'll get $14 back, makes it just $4, so you'll end up getting 6 of them for just 66 cents each if you want to do that deal. Butterfinger is 89 cents and the Baby Ruth is on sale for 89 cents. We do have 25% off Ibotta rebates for 25 cents. So you'll end up just getting each bar for just 64 cents each. This is a great filler item. The General Mills cereal is actually on sale for $1.88. We do have $1 off a 2 digital coupon. There was a printable, but you'll end up getting both boxes for just $2.76 or $1.38. Now I actually also received $1.25 off a 2 digital coupon, so that'll just end up being $2.20 or $2.51, I think is what it would be. Here we have the Carmex mini tubes. This is up by the registers. I didn't find any back by the back, but they're $6.99. We have a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up just paying $4.99, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making your final price just $3.49 or 69 cents a tube. So the Axe deodorant is $2.11. We do have a buy one get one free coupon that will take up to $7.25 off, but Walgreens system will change and it'll take $5.50 off. So you'll end up paying $5.50, but then you'll get a $4 cash rewards. So it comes out to be just $1.50 or 75 cents each. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Everything turned out smoothly. I think everything rung up as the sale prices. I forgot to check that, but usually yes, that is the way it goes, and it looks like everything did turn out okay. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. And that reminds me, just gotta check one thing as I am going through stuff with you guys. Okay, so I ended up doing the General Mills cereal. I prefer General Mills over Kellogg's, and I've been craving some Lucky Charms a lot lately. So these were $1.88. There is $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up just paying $2.76 for 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.38. But I also had a $1.25 digital. I had both of those actually clipped to my card, and the $1.25 did come off. So if you have the $1.25, it comes out to be $2.51 or just $1.25, $1.26 a box, which is a pretty decent deal. My mom was like, man, these cereal boxes are getting smaller and smaller. I'm like, yeah, they are. But the thing is, that's why I like to get as close to $1 as possible, because then, you know, I can get like 3 or 4 breakfasts out of a box of cereal. So it's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and do that. Did the soft soap deal. Now make sure you guys, before you put them in a bag, make sure you screw them tight, because I've learned my lesson on other soaps. I always have bad luck with soaps, so giving you guys a heads up with those. But these are $1.99. They are buy one get one 50% off. There is a 75-cent off digital coupon that you want to use. You'll pay $5.22, but then you'll get a $4 cash rewards, making it $1.22 or just 30 cents each. If you guys need to stock up on some soap, definitely go for that. And then I also got a Baby Ruth and Butterfinger. These were 89 cents on sale. There is a 25-cent rebate for each one. You guys will just get these for 64 cents each. So if you guys have a hankering for some candy bars, definitely go ahead and do that. My son's like, Mom, when are you gonna get more M&Ms? When are you gonna get more M&Ms? Well, here you go, Benny Pooh. So I got these. These were $2.49. The Butterfinger deal, I have so many Butterfingers, like it's crazy. This coupon expires like on Sunday. The Butterfinger doesn't expire till the day after Halloween, which is awesome. But anyways, these were $2.49 each. I had a 2 off of 3 insert coupon that we had. Paid $5.47 or just $1.82 a bag. So I got these, you know, just to have as a snack every once in a while, because we got some, you know, hankering. So I ended up doing the Axe deal. So the Axe was 2 for $11. You want to use that buy one get one 50 or buy one get one free coupon. It should take off $5.50, but you'll end up just paying, I did not write this down, are you serious? You'd end up paying $5.50 for this, but you'll get a $4 cash reward, so this ends up becoming just $1.50 or 75 cents each. And I did get like 93 points from Fetch Rewards for this, so that was like 93 cents. So if you guys think about it, it's under $1, so that's a great deal for that. And then there is a similar deal. Now you can do both of these in the same transactions because it's cash rewards. It's not it's cash rewards, it is not register rewards. So I ended up doing the Dove deodorant. These were 2 for $11. You'd pay $11 for it, but there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you get 2,000 points when you purchase 2 of these with the Fetch Rewards, and you get $4 cash rewards, making it just $1. But again, I also got 93 bonus points also for Fetch Rewards, so these come out to be like 7 cents. 7 cents is a great deal. Now, as I was about to take a picture of my toothbrushes, I realized I must have grabbed I either grabbed the wrong one or somebody had them stocked wrong, but these are the ones I wanted to get because the other ones were $7.99 and these were $4.99. So I ended up buying 2 of these. You'd end up wanting to use 2 $2 off coupons. I had one digital and 1 paper coupon. You would end up paying just $5.98, but then you get a $5 register reward, making them 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I'm okay with paying 49 cents for 4 toothbrushes. Also, to give you guys a heads up, make sure you are submitting your receipts to the P&G. The gift cards are back, but it's limit 2 per month, I think, or is it limit 2 per each 1 per month? I am not sure. I've only redeemed the Starbucks ones, but definitely make sure you guys are scanning your receipts to get the points for those. And I forgot to mention, with the Lucky Charms, you also get points for Fetch Rewards also. So I ended up doing this little thing of Lubriderm. This was $3.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you want to use. Plus, there is a $2 off Walgreens booklet coupon that you'd want to use. So you'll get this little bad boy for free if you guys want to go do that. And then I did this deal. My family doesn't do Mentos, otherwise I would have probably gone Mentos crazy. But there are different deals. Now make sure you guys read the flavor of this deal on Swagbucks. There's only 3 that you can do. They also have one that's for the vitamin C. My store did have that. And then they also had the one for the mints, but you didn't get as much with the mints. But these were 2 for $6. You would pay $6 for these. But you end up, you can submit your receipt to Swagbucks and you'll get 400 points when you purchase 2 of them, making these $1 each. If you buy 6 of them, you'll end up paying, I can't remember what you'd pay, but it ends up becoming, you'll end up getting $14 back with Swagbucks. So it ends up becoming like 60-something cents each. So if you guys need to go ahead and get some Mentos, definitely go ahead and do that. But that was my haul. I think I showed you guys the $5 register reward. Yeah, I did. Okay, so my total came to $35.12 for everything. Now keep in mind, I did not pay that price. I actually paid with register rewards and points. Like my out of pocket was like probably $3, but I ended up paying with points and everything, and then register rewards. But I do not factor those in when I do those deals. I did receive a $5 register reward. For points, I got $12.28. And then with Ibotta, I got $4.50 for the Dove. And then I got 25 cents for the Butterfinger and Baby Ruth. With Fetch Rewards, I got $4.36 for all those items. That was, how did I get $4? No way. I messed up. I meant $2.36. Really? Did I? Yeah, I meant $2. No, I don't know. I don't know what I did for Fetch Rewards. But anyways, for Swagbucks, I got $4 back. And so my grand total was $4.98, but that is not true. I ended up getting $4.36. Oh, I did get $4.36. I forgot the 93 cents ones that I got. So $4.36. So my grand total came to $4.98. I got 20 items at just 24 cents each. Also, make sure you scan your receipts for the General Mills app to get some money for your school. And if you guys have not noticed, Kellogg's Family Rewards is changing the rewards program. You have until the end of the year to use all your points. I went on the website to use my points and everything was gone, so hopefully they restock a lot of that stuff. But make sure you guys are spending those points. You can use those points to pay for printable coupons. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.